Well, if I can't get power one way, I'll get it another. As you can see, there's a solar panel on the shed. It was really easy to put together. Got it at Harbor Freight for 99 bucks. You know, if I had started at that point, instead of trying to do wind, I could have put 3, 4, 5 solar panels. I could have put 10 solar panels for the cost of what it cost me to put in this turbine. That doesn't work. And just with that one panel, it's recharging the battery. This is the controller that I had originally gotten that didn't work with the turbine because it was made for solar only. And I still had it, so I just repurposed it. And turns out it's working fine. So, a happy ending after all. Not for the turbine, but at least I have power in here now. It's recharging the battery, and now I can begin planning out the garden railway.